In this video, we will introduce fractions. Before this session, students have filled in two blanks with whole numbers to represent the number of shaded paths and the total number of paths for a region. Such blanks as these could be called the double box. To connect the double box to fractions, we show that only the line between the two boxes is needed to separate the top number from the bottom number. 3. So we put the 3 up above, right? Where it says shaded, we put the 3 up there. And how many paths are there in the whole bar? 4 paths. We really don't need those lines around that box, right? We don't need the boxes. So in other words, we're going to take the size of the box away and the bottom of the box away, and we're just going to have that line in the middle. And these new numbers are called fractions. Have any of you used fractions before? Well, I know Thatcher's used them before, because he's going into second grade. This fraction right here has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That path's got 6 paths, and 1, 2, 3 paths are shaded. And what's the name of that fraction? 3, 6, okay? This is kind of hard. Those names are a little bit hard. We don't have to remember the names, okay? But Abby seems to know the names. She knew this was 6, okay? Now, I'm going to give you another fraction, and you try to see if you can find the bar. So we're not going to tell you the color now, but you've got to find the bar with 3 paths and 1 path shaded, okay? Can you find that? Okay, some people have it. Okay, Owen has got it. Why don't you show Alana? See, it's got 3. Okay, so this bar right here is going to be a yellow bar with 1 patch shaded. That's going to be this bar right here, right? Now, what's the name of this fraction right here? Anyone know what the name of that one is?
1/3.
Thirds. This is thirds. This is thirds. It has 3 paths, and there's 1 path shaded, right? We're going to do something with colored tiles. You're each going to have. Would you bundle up the bars, the fraction bars? Why don't you use both colors? Yeah, you might help on that one a little bit. You need to form a collection with 2, red and green. Everybody needs a collection. Yeah, you
Put it right in the center of your
put them
paper.
out in rows like this, and you can
Stick
count them
it
fairly
in.
easily.
That looks great, what you have. Put it right here on the paper.
1, 2, 3, 4,
And lay them down.
9 red. Okay. Okay, Alana's got hers in a row. That's a good idea. Ellen is suggesting we put these in rows and so on and columns so you can count them easily. Let's start with Alana. Alana, can you tell us how many you have altogether?
7.
7, and how many red?
1.
Okay, so the fraction for her, the number of red tile is going to have 7 altogether, and 1 red?
Yeah.
It's going to be 1 over 7, okay? How about,
6 green.
let's say in 6 green, so we could write 6 over, this could be the red, that's good. And we can write 6 over 7 for the green. Okay, how about Evan, how many do you have altogether?
Let me count first.
He's counting them all.
9.
9 altogether, so we're going to put the 9 down here. And,
And 5 reds.
5 red. So where does the 5 go? It goes up here, right? That's the smaller number. 5 red. How about Molly and Carla? How many do you have altogether? How many?
11.
11. And how many red?
4.
Okay, so this is what we're going to do for Molly and Carla now. We're going to put down 11. That's a big bottom number, isn't it? And 4 red. Okay, so 4 11ths are red. Okay? Parker, what do you have?
7 altogether, and I have 2 greens.
Okay, 7. Where do we put the 7? Up above or down below?
7 down below.
Down below, that's a big number. And how many red?
No, how many green?
Oh, green, okay. How many?
2.
We'll put the 2 up here, right? So 2 paths out of 7? 2 paths out of 7 are green? Now, I've got some record sheets here. I'd like to have you each take a record sheet and put your name at the top of it. Thank you. Okay, now these sheets have got some words on them. Can anybody read what's on these sheets? R-E-C-O-R-D, record sheet. I want you to write down the total number of your
The
tile.
first box, so there are 3 boxes, but for this collection, the top box at the top.
In the top line, you write down the total number of your tiles. So
Great.
Carla and Molly are going to have 11. We're going to put 11 right here in that first place. Right? You're going to put down the number red and then the number green. Okay, count the number red and number green and put those in that top line. So the total number, the number red, and the number green. There's a lot of counting now, but you can do it. Okay? How you doing? Okay, we need the total number right here. Oh, you get it right here. The number red and number green. Okay, put down the total right here. Well, you have seen young students, 10 of the 12 are only 6 years old, taking the first step in writing fractions for passive regions and passive sets. The double box presented a transition from whole numbers to fractions. But still, the readiness period before fractions are introduced should have been even longer.